Hey, what's up, hello chain holders. So this video is going to be very informative for all new holder, my friend, especially you invest for a short time, my friend. Kindly don't skip any second of this video, because my friend, all crypto market very fairly dumps now, and especially you must follow this channel to you never lost, my friend, and you be safe from loss, because in those days everyone is in the loss, because the all crypto market fails down. So they take a very bad decision, my friend, and they're starting selling exactly, my friend, a bad time, my friend. They're starting selling, so therefore, my friends, they are completely in the loss. So don't take a bad decision, my friend. I hope if you follow this channel, subscribe this channel, and absolutely, my friend, you never lost. So kindly subscribe this channel, press bell icon for latest news and updates. ABS Tech channel is guide you. So this time, my friend, you can see here the holo chain. Holo chain is one of the fastest token. Every coin or token, my friend, everybody knows is to in a fast through 3 month, my friend, they take like a rocket. But definitely in the first 1 week, my friend, they falls down completely now. So what's a big reason, my friend? The reason are three. The main reason is that the first reason is that, my friends, to especially the short-term investors, they're starting selling. And the second reason is that this is the start of month, so therefore they falls down. And the third reason is that to those days every crypto market has falls down, my friend. Crypto market totally every token, my friend, every coin, especially Dogecoin, Shiba coin, oh, my friend, every safe moon, every token, my friend, coins, all is falls down. So therefore, if you see this time the whole chain reasons, so exactly they are all in the positive. So don't seize, because all crypto market falls down, so don't seize this short fails, my friend. You can see the market cap 0.19% just in only. I think this is very short fails, my friend. A lot of coins are 100% fails down also, my friends. 20%, 50%, 100% fails down. So don't see this short fails. Fully diluted market cap 1.75% falls down. Volume of last 24 hours as 2.59%. And volume market cap, you can see here 0.1585. And circulating supply, if you can see here, 172.69 billion. Exactly, my friends, they are all as in positive. Don't see this absolutely very short fails. So never lost, my friend. I hope you never lost, especially if you wait for the end of this month. I hope at the second week they're starting moving up like a rocket. Yeah, exactly, third week, my friend, sorry, at the mid of month, it's mean to at the mid of month. I hope, my friends, they moving up like a rocket. So that's don't seal it, hold it, and wait for a good time. I hope they give you very good format. Thanks for watching, holder shareholder. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, subscribe this channel for this type more informative videos.